Dr. Stephen Olmos from the TMJ and Sleep Therapy Centers. Just wanted to give an update on what is snoring. Nothing in your body should make noises if it's functioning properly, and breathing is one of them. So proper breathing is through your nose. Sometimes people's noses are a little collapsed right in this area here, called nasal valve collapse, and sometimes it blocks entry of air into the body. You need your nose. Your nose is important because it filters, moistens, and warms air before it brings it into your body. And basically, it's your immune system. It mixes with a gas in your cheeks called nitric oxide, which is antimicrobial. So every nasal breath coming into your lungs prevents against respiratory infection, and very important for this flu season. So we need to keep the nose working, and air should come through. And this narrow part here where your soft palate is, very often is the area where the tongue and this area are collapsed. And this is where mostly your snoring comes from. So as this narrows down, then the air going through makes a sound, like a whistle, okay? And so as it narrows, that's just telling you that there is a compromise in breathing. What snoring has been found to do is be able to cause vibration in your carotid artery and makes more plaque. It's a precursor to stroke and other cardiovascular problems, as is obstructive sleep apnea. That's where you absolutely stop breathing. So just because you don't make noise doesn't mean that you don't have a problem, because not breathing sounds like this. So at least snoring means air's going through. And of course, then if you have awakenings, if you have to get up to go to the bathroom, if you're fatigued, these are all symptoms of sleep disorder breathing. You high blood pressure, cardiovascular problems. So if you have any of these issues and you do have snoring, you should really get that checked out.